This is the trunk punching centre where most of our products start life. The machine cuts the parts out of the sheet metal, ready for bending up on the press brakes. This is one of our press brakes where the flat parts come from the punching centre and they're bent up into three-dimensional shapes and then welded. And this way is through the press brake section with more press brake machines. Once the products been bent up in this section, the products are welded together. And then ground and dressed to tidy up the excess weld. This is one of our manual welding bays. So this is the finishing department, which for most of our products is pretty much the final stage in the process. The products are hung on the conveyor and polyester powder is applied electrostatically. Then the product goes through the oven where the powder is cured, finishing the process. Then the products are taken off the conveyor, assembled and go out to the customer. As well as fabricating electrical enclosures, we have the wiring assembly department. So working with our customers on the design and layout, we can assemble the components onto backboards, DIN rails, internal enclosures, and if required we can design and build up custom-made distribution boards such as this one. After the plate shop, we assemble our products in this area, which can involve putting big cabinets together, putting doors on, backboards in, applying seals and labels, and then packing the products up either to go straight out to the customer or into stock.